Imagine this. One morning you wake up and you're not in a hotel room, nor inside the four walls of a fixed house. You're inside an AI motorhome. It moves, yet it feels like a royal mansion. Solar-powered panels are attached to the vehicle, keeping the entire system running. From the outside, this home looks like a futuristic spaceship. But once you step inside, you'll get lost in the magic of modernity. Entrance. The door of the vehicle recognizes your face. No keys are needed. Just approach and the door opens automatically. As you step inside, the floor lights up with a soft blue glow, as if welcoming you. Living area. First comes a spacious living area. The chairs and sofas here aren't ordinary furniture. Each chair has sensors that adjust automatically to your posture. If you want to sleep, the chair reclines. If you want to work, the table rises and transforms into a desk. The table has a built-in wireless charger. Just place your phone and it charges. Even the sofa fabric can change colors thanks to smart fabric displays. Bedroom. Now, the bedroom. At first glance, the bed looks ordinary, but hidden inside is extraordinary technology. AI knows when you're about to sleep, dimming the lights gradually. The bed adjusts its temperature, warm in winter, cool in summer. If your sleep posture is unhealthy, the bed automatically shifts to position you correctly. Beside the bed is a holographic screen where you can watch movies, play games, or check the news. Kitchen. Step into the kitchen and it feels like a sci-fi movie set. The fridge tells you what's left and what needs to be bought. Say, make breakfast today. And the AI robot lowers a frying pan and starts cooking eggs. If you want to cook yourself, the robot assists with chopping and measuring spices. The table has a built-in heater, keeping your food warm once placed on the plate. The bathroom shows how much can fit in a small space. The walls are transparent but turn opaque once you step in. Shower water is filtered and recycled by AI for reuse. The mirror isn't just a mirror, it's a smart screen, showing weather, news, or even your health report while you brush your teeth. Driving and safety. The greatest strength of this motorhome is its driving system. No driver is needed. Just say your destination, and the car plans the route automatically. If there's traffic, it finds shortcuts. In rain or fog, it switches driving modes. With 360-degree cameras, radar, and sensors all around, accidents are nearly impossible. Entertainment and work. On long trips, work doesn't stop. That's why there's a holographic conference system, making it feel like you're in the office. You can also host virtual movie nights with friends. A hidden rooftop cinema screen lets you watch movies outdoors under the night sky. Eco-friendly features. This future motorhome isn't just luxurious, but also eco-friendly. The solar panels on the roof power the entire house. The battery is so strong, it can last for weeks on a single charge. Water is recycled and reused, minimizing waste. All in all, this futuristic AI motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a new definition of lifestyle. Comfort, technology, safety, and environmental care all come together here.